guys, what's up? Chip here. Welcome to the Chatterbot newsletter. I want to share with you a testimonial. We've just been getting ridiculous amounts of testimonials flood in. I have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people telling me how good our crypto newsletter is. I'm not here to, put myself on a pedestal. I'm just an average guy. I've been doing this for many, many years. I've done well in the crypto space. And right now, I'm just going to show you a quick testimonial with Mike, I've met him on Instagram, and he just joined the 6 month newsletter. He's only a very new client, but you can see here, he's saying very excited, and he's saying there's so much information, he was getting emotional, and he's almost about to cry. I think people, once they join, they realize the amount of information that we're giving. Not only is it accurate, it's life changing. We even had one of our members who was a nurse. He actually made, I think, about $50,000 during the pandemic in 2020. And so he was going in there reading every day. I mean, it's not for everyone. I understand that people could be skeptical, and if I was you and I was listening to this, I would be skeptical as well. But really, realistically, in a world of lies, I'm here and I'm out here. I'm giving you proof over and over and over again. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, over 900 testimonials that we have on record on file, and it really is mind blowing. I'm literally sitting here and I'm literally just blowing my mind because of all the really fun, fantastic, and just out of these world comments that are coming through across my desk every day. I really am. I wake up just going, oh my God, I can't believe this is happening. And I can't believe people are just, we have millionaires on our newsletter list. We have billionaires on our newsletter list. People are addicted. Like, if I don't post a newsletter update by a certain time, people are, oh my God, where is the newsletter alert? So people are really loving what we do. And like I said to Mike here, we really have an awesome and unique community with people who have been with me for years and years and done well. They don't even have a job. And that's what we're trying to do. In this world, the draconians, what they want you to do is to be sitting on a computer all day in a bank loan, paying off your bank loan, being upset, being miserable, being in debt. And we are trying to break free. We are trying to break you free from this burden. And so once you realize that, you can join our newsletter. It's such a great community. We're posting most days, maybe 4 to 5 updates a week. If we come across here, you'll have a look. We have a lot of things on offer. We have over 710 updates. Like, that's years worth of information. And you also can, if you don't want to join straight away and you want to find out a little bit more, just go to our about page. We'll put the link in the description, and it will just show you how our clients are becoming addicted to our crypto newsletter updates. We've won awards. We've been doing so much. I have a best team around me, and I really feel that it's affordable. If you want to just trial on the 6 month first, and you can, if you don't, you have more questions, you can contact me or my team over there at Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. But realistically, guys, I've just been, inundated. It's been so busy. Our team are working really hard for you guys. And in the predictive linguistic world, what you have to remember is the reason why we're so accurate is no one is teaching me this stuff. I have to teach myself. And so it's very new, and it really is showing people at the same time as our predictions and our crypto predictions are just simply on fire. An example is Bitcoin's gone up like 60% this year. However, some of the coins we've been predicting, our secret coins, have gone up like 3,000, 4,000, 5,000%. And these people in Bitcoin are sort of wondering, oh, how are you doing this? Well, this is what we're doing. We're not only showing you the power of how blockchain can be used in the future, we're actually giving you actions to take on that data, and people are quitting their jobs. It's crazy, I know. If I was you, I would be skeptical as well. But please, I really urge you to go and have a look. If you don't have to sign up to a newsletter, there is a free section there as well. But if you want to learn about more, just learn about why we have a very successful newsletter, go and have a listen. You have a free 40-minute webinar. You can learn more about myself, what we do, and how we're so accurate. You go across to that site and that page. It's on the About Us page. It'll give you more than you need to know. We also have weekly podcasts. We have live interviews. We have, different reports on secret coins and or everything else that you would ever need. So please, I urge you, we've just got so many crazy testimonials coming through. Everyone is filling my inbox with requests, and obviously, look, I can't get to all of them, but I really am, I'm just encouraged by all the kind and the positive words that you guys put out there, because I believe that right now in the COVID, or whatever you want to call it, the pandemic, in a world of lies, I really think I am a truth bearer, and it's always important to give you guys the truth. So thanks again for listening, guys. I want to thank you for everything and all the kind words. Thanks again for Mike for joining. That really means a lot. Thanks for your business. And I really encourage you, if you are in crypto, you want to learn about Bitcoin and crypto, and how to make an extra side income or a side hustle out of the crypto space, please feel free to join our newsletter today. The link for that is below. And if you have more questions, please feel free to reach out. That's about it from me today, guys. Thanks again. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you all soon. Okay, peace. Bye.